Right, I'm going to sharpen or do a little bit of repairing on my lovely knife. I dropped it on the road and it's got a tiny nick. Hello! It's got a tiny nick at the very end of the blade and a tiny nick about there. This is a brilliant little sharpener. I'll use that backside if I really want to get rough, and then that to finish. It's awesome. So I spit on it, wipe on some spittle, and then ten that way. Oh. 10 that way. I'll do that a little bit and then finish it off on that side. Finishing it off on the smooth side now. Quite sharp. I'll show you another finishing tip now. Right, finishing tip, top of the glass on your car door. So you sharpen it that way obviously, and then finishing. It's not focusing, is it? Not that that matters, you get the idea. Like that.